Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mustang 09er Sean here, and today I got a new video for you. It's a highly requested video, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it for you guys. It is the exhaust video. A lot of you guys have been asking for what my car sounds like and wanting me to do flybys and drive-bys and stuff like that. Well, not drive-bys, because I don't really want to go to prison, so we'll call it a flyby. A lot of you guys have been requesting me to do a flyby. So here it is. It's my car with just Roush Axlebacks only, nothing else to it. And the camera I'm using is a Canon T3i with a Rode Video Mic Pro. So it's a really good microphone, picks up great sound, and it's something some of the pros use when they shoot their YouTube videos and their run and gun type videos. They can stick it right on top of their DSLR camera and hit the road running. So I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below for any more video requests or if you have any questions about my setup. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.
Are you done yet?
Almost. We can go test it here in a minute.